You see all this black stuff here? That's where a spark plug lead's been rubbing on the exhaust. To get me started on my dipstick, these extractors that I've got have changed everything around, but I've got the solution. Enter these new spark plug leads. So they both go out on a 45-degree angle, which is going to allow me to get this away from the exhaust. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, they don't have the big steel thing that goes over there to protect them, and it clearly doesn't, because there's the evidence. That's where these boots come in. So these are a heat shielded boot. They sit over the top of it somehow. Maybe it goes that way. I don't know. Is there a... Oh, there's a steel ring in there. That's interesting. Maybe that sits down on it. And then the spark plug goes up through there. There's probably instructions on there. We don't read them. Here's the installation. That's all it says. These are from the guys at Heat Protection. No? Yes. Heat Protection Products. They'll make them. Aeroflow make them. I just seen Harrop come out with a set. They're nice too. They're red. But I like this colour. It's like a brownie sort of, I don't know, colour. Makes it look like it can withstand heat. It's probably just not any different to the others, but anyway. But they can withstand 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. And for us other people, 982 degrees Celsius continuous heat. Can withstand up to 1200 degrees intermittent reflective heat. Reduces radiant heat by up to 60%. I think these are going to be a good thing. I just don't know how they go on properly because they didn't come with instructions. I just think that should slip over that, but clearly it doesn't. What do they do in the picture? Yeah, that's the way they go. On to the other thing. Here's the new dipstick. So let's bust this out because this one's flexible. We can put it wherever, apparently. And it's nice looking. It's got a nice anodised billet head on it. I think it's billet. I wonder if the dipstick's as strong as the packaging. Don't bend the stick. Bloody hell. It's very nice. It's got AN fittings on it, by the look of it. I'm making this look a lot difficult than what it should be. Anyway, new dipstick, and it's flexible. So that's stainless steel braid. Nice anodised AN style fittings, which is fantastic. It looks good. It's got a nice Aeroflow logo in it. It's very, very nice. Now all of this should be fairly straightforward. I'm just a little confused about this ring that goes over the end, whether it needs to be pressed through or if it's there so that you can, so it can be held in place. Hopefully it goes on enough. The problem is this spark plug here points straight at the exhaust. All the others are fine, but to keep them uniform, I'll replace the whole lot of them. It must be split on the inside because it's trying to go on like it's double sleeved and it's trying to get on the inside of the double sleeve, which is annoying. Okay, exhaust products people. Got a faulty item here. Yeah, there it is there. It just hits it. So it's double wrapped from both ends and that end's not sewed on properly. Like that wasn't either. Remember we buddy had to unroll that? We might have it. I think we got it. That's good enough. Now this dipstick is a lot shorter than the original one. So there's the hole. They don't bolt in at the block, they just sort of sit in there with an O-ring. So if you can get it in, you just got to push it in and then everything falling down. I can't see through the boot I just put on. That's on. Oh no. Well, that's good. That's worked. There we go. And it's about right. How easy does it go in though? Oh, that's just beautiful. I like the way that looks too. It's nice and neat and tidy, unlike the rest of the engine. Well, there it is. Some heat protected spark plug socks from Heat Protection Products and a new dipstick from Aeroflow. Now I can throw this away. Oh, shit.